Hi there, I'm Betsy, your Zoom expert. Have you ever had something totally unexpected happen during a Zoom, like a participant suddenly drawing on your screen? In this video, I'll show you what causes it, how to stop it immediately, and how to prevent it from happening again. So inside your Zoom meeting, when you are sharing your screen, this floating controls bar shows up on your screen. And when someone's cursor or maybe some sort of type of drawing shows up on the screen, that's called annotating. And you can see that in the share bar, the floating controls bar, there is an annotate toolbar. Well, they have one on their end as well. As participants, when they're watching your presentation, sometimes their mind starts to wander, and so does their hand on the mouse. And they start to click on things because they're curious. And one of those is possibly the annotate toolbar. Unbeknownst to you, this is what's happening. So they click on annotate, the annotate toolbar shows up on their screen. And you can't see this. I'm showing you right now so you can see it behind the scenes. And what they do is they don't even get it that this draw button is lit up because they just click. They're just curious. And so all of a sudden they just start, uh-oh, and then they have no idea what they're doing. Or what you see this happening because it's coming up on your shared screen inside the meeting. So no fret. When I see this happening, no worries. I don't even have to even mention it. I simply open up my annotate toolbar, and this is what this is. So if you want to stop it immediately, all you're going to do is first you want to clear that. So you're going to come down here to the trash can and you can say clear all drawings. So you can clear your drawing, you can clear their drawings, and they don't even know what you're doing. They can't even see you doing this. So you click on clear all drawings, that goes away. Perfect. And all you have to do is just close your bar with the X at the bottom there. Now, this is how you stop it immediately. So on your floating controls bar, you're going to click the More button and then come down here where it says Disable Annotation for Others. When you click there, the menu disappears, but it now is disabled. So you can turn it on. I actually teach this inside my collective. I can show you how to increase and improve engagement in your Zoom meetings using annotation. And so you can have your students, participants, members all play along with annotation, which is quite fun. They have little stamps and they can show you what they're thinking without even being unmuted. So this does have a wonderful place inside Zoom meetings. However, when you're presenting, you don't want that happening. So you're going to disable it. And now at this time, they won't be able to, even if they're curious and they click around, they won't be able to draw on your screen. Now you know exactly what to do when someone starts drawing on your screen, and you can practice this inside my collective. Just head to the description in this video and you'll find the link waiting for you. And if you found value in this video, give a like and hit subscribe for more tips from the Zoom playground. And if something weird has ever happened in your meeting, tell me about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story and help you out. See you next time.